Hello guys, naibag-o si RR na kuan Kini, beads. Beads. What's that? Bago niya nga beads. Okay, magbuhat to mig bracelet. Wow, this is so nice. Wow, with complete naman siya kinang daan diri nga Arnel. Natangtang siya guys. Ilisa na mo. Natangtang. Ni. Kasama na! Wow. Ito na ang ginawa ko guys. Ano siya guys? In-upgrade ko. Isuot na ni RR. Try this one. This is finished now. Look. Very nice. Come on. Wow. That's very nice. Si Arnel. Arnel. You like it?
Yeah.
Wow. Arnel. Ano man niya maggibuhat? This is for?
Mommy.
For me? Thank you, Ara. You finish that one. You put that one, the lock? Narana ang binuhat ni RR, guys. Ako rin nagtiwas o buhat og kanang lock. Ang imuha, RRB, pakita daw ko sa imuha, B. Wow. What's there, Arnel? Wow. Mauna ni among bracelet, guys. You like it? Wow. Mauna ni ang pintas na gibuhat ni Mommy for RR. Ikaw na to, guys. Ay. Wow, you like it? Wow. Oh, don't move. Oh, wow. And there's RR here. RR. Yan po na ngalan. Oh, wow. Nananay siya kwintas og bracelet. Oh, can you show your bracelet? Can I see your bracelet? Oh, wow. This one, ni Arnel. And this one, RR. You like it? Daghan pa kay guys. Gusto yung magpabuhat. Kuti kay buhaton, guys. Magbabay na. Babay na sa kanina. Thank you for watching. You bye your feet. Bye-bye.